Group projects, the university experience that nobody warned you about. You walk in thinking, great, for people for brains, we'll split the work equally. And then, one person disappears off the face of the earth. One person says they'll start tonight for 6 days straight. One person shows up the night before with 2 sentences and a confidence that should be illegal. And you are sitting here at midnight doing all of it. And the worst part? Their marks become your marks. If this has ever been your life, this video is for you. Here's why group projects go wrong every single time. Nobody assigns clear ownership from the beginning. We'll all do our part sounds fine in week 1. But our part means something different to everyone. To you, it means equal work. To your group member, it means whatever is left the night before. If nobody owns a task, everybody assumes somebody else is doing it. The result? You become the unofficial project manager, editor, researcher, and writer. Congratulations. You now have 4 jobs and 0 extra marks for it. But here's what you can actually do about it. Step 1. The split and name it method. In your very first group meeting, split the work into specific tasks and put names on every single one. Not, we'll handle the introduction. No, Mark writes the introduction. Due Wednesday. Specific. Named. Dated. When someone's name is attached to a task, suddenly it's no longer optional. It's awkward to not do it. And awkward is your greatest weapon in a group project. Write it in the group chat so everyone can see it. Now there's proof. Beautiful, screenshot-able proof. Step 2. The Wednesday rule. If your project is due Friday, make your internal group deadline Wednesday. Why? Because someone will be late. This is not pessimism. This is university mathematics. Picture this. Your presentation starts at 9 a.m. At 8:27, one teammate sends a message, "Guys, my laptop crashed." Translation, they haven't started. That's exactly why your group finishes 2 days early. On Wednesday, you collect whatever everyone has done, even if it's incomplete, even if it's embarrassing. Now you have 2 days to fix it, fill the gaps, and actually submit something that doesn't look like it was written in a WhatsApp group at 1 a.m., which without this rule, it absolutely would be. Step 3. The paper trail. Keep a paper trail of everything. Send task reminders in the group chat, not private messages. Group chat. Why? Because I didn't see it doesn't work when it's sitting there with a blue tick and 20 other people saw it. And if things go really wrong and you need to report to your lecturer, you have evidence. You have dates. You have receipts. You're basically a lawyer at this point. A very tired, underpaid university student lawyer. So, to survive your next group project, 1. Split the work and put names on everything. Day 1. 2. Set your real deadline 2 days before the actual one. 3. Keep everything in the group chat. Screenshots are your best friend. You cannot control your group members, but you can control the system. And a good system makes even the worst group members slightly less terrible. Before your next group project starts, screenshot those. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.